This is that family Yerushalmi Terumos. In the article also had addition we're on Daf Nun Alf and Alf. We're on the fourth line down, tiny Ser Chumash Nafla Pachos. And that is in the Vilna. Chav Zayin Rebbeis, 3 lines at the bottom, tiny Ser Chumah, etc. I just lost my place in the Tabernacle. Tiny. Ser Chumash Nafla Pachos Mimel. You have a saw of Chuma which fell into less than 100. Chulin. Hayom Medumain. This is a class case of Meduma. Mixed in Chuma and Chulin together. And they're obviously also for a Zor to eat. But they are, if a Zor eats Chuma, and B'shoy, when it's to give a coin Chulin, with according to the measure that he ate, and that becomes Kodesh, and he has to also has to pay a Chomesh. They can't do it from here, because this is not real Chulin, it's Meduma. And not vice versa. You can't pay when you eat them. You don't pay Kerem Chomesh from on them from elsewhere because they're not truly considered to be Chuma, to be obligated. Somebody eats them Chomesh, Kerem Chomesh. Ella lefi cheshbon. It goes according to the cheshbon. In other words, according to the amount of Chuma in them. You pay Kerem Chomesh based on the amount of Chuma in them, and you can use it for Kerem Chomesh and elsewhere. Well, you can use a Kerem Chomesh no matter what, but on them you can use for eating from this meduma. You pay the fee cheshbon. You can't use this to make a truma on something else because it's all meduma is its own status, independent, and therefore can't be used. This is talking about something where davar shein darkly bolel does get probably mixed up, such as yavish, which is not a powder. Avodavish darkly bolel is something which does get mixed up together. Rov, we go after the majority. Im rov truma, the majority is truma, then it's truma, and you pay the entire thing, and it's that can't become tashlumin altogether. Im rov chulin, the majority is chulin, even though it's also for zorin. You can't, because it's meduma, it's less than 100 to 1. You don't have on eating them kerem chomesh, and the oil can become tashlumin on elsewhere. Why? Because the davar ain't darkly bolel, everything is independent. Each piece is independent. But something which is darkly bolel, everything is mixed together, and it becomes like one entity. Okay, says the Mishnah. Sar truma tmeya shenafla lemea sar truma Torah. Sav Truma Tmeya, found to 100 Truma Torah. B'shamim Oisim, B'shamim say it's Aser. Everything the Aser Kohanim, like Truma Tmeya, because Truma Tmeya is not bought on Truma Torah. Beisil material. Beisil says that the Truma Tmeya is bought in Truma Torah. Amala Beisil, B'sham Beisil, Sili B'sham Holiv Torah Asur L'Zorim. Let's make a reckoning here. Truma Torah is also Zorim. Utmeya Asur L'Kohanim, and Torah is also Kohanim. Matter oil, just like to Truma Torah is oil in 1 in 100. After Meya oil, so to Truma Tmeya is oil in 1 in 100. Or maybe Shammai no, not true. Imelu achulin akalim, and what time is name is Torah. If chulin, which is lighter, in other words, in this case, chulin means they're more kal, in the sense not that they're how should I put it, easier, but they're less kodesh. So there are chulin hamutar mazem Torah. They're more powerful. Therefore, I mean their bittul is more powerful. Tala truma chamura, which is not as powerful in bittul. Hasul Zorim Esatmeya, it doesn't work. So Arashodu, after they conceded, who conceded to who? We don't know. What's going to tell us? As the Teron Batista Rafe, you have to take out one saw corresponding to the saw that fell, and that should be burnt. And because he goes to shot those that shah enough as also, and of the Memiuta. No, you don't have to take off even one. Everything is you don't have to take one. Everything is mutter to the Kohanim. Okay, because it's Truma, no Kohen here. Okay, that was Mishnah Dalet. Mishnah Hey. So Truma Shenafel Meya. You have a saw of Truma which fell into 100. Big Bia, and you pick one up, and Nafel Makamach fell elsewhere. Doesn't matter Medamas Kichuma Vadai. There's a Shitaso. And Sash and Nafli Shalash also. So it's Medamea as if it's Mamish Truma. It's Medamea according to the shear of 1% of it. Because they hold it. So we don't say Sash also Shalash Nafli, we just do it because of Gezel Sheva. That was Mishnah Hey. Now Mishnah Vav. Start Truma Shanafel Pakos me may have a nidmo. Start Truma Uchuma found the lesser urgent Mikum Meduma. Now from Meduma Makamacher and the from the Meduma fell to elsewhere. Let's remember the Damask Truma Vazoi. There's Medamea like Truma Vadai. We'll see what that means when we get finally to the world. Chamim and Medamea fi Cheshben. Oh, it goes by percentage. Then I'm a chumutz sourdough. So I'm not elefi cheshbon, which if you have you fermented chulin dough with a sourdough of truma, so the dough is considered to be meduma, but only according to cheshbon of sourdough which is in the dough. Then I'm shuvin pasta mikol fim elefi cheshbon. Mikol doesn't have 40 soy, and it has 3 lugin of mayim shuvin fall in. And then somehow another mikol became missing, even a kartov. It's kosher when you fill it up, because the 3 lugin which were there, which possibly have been diminished. So, question: how exactly it means fi cheshbon here? It's some of the words going to discuss that. No, it does not. I guess it's the same as that. It has to be if the water goes out. So Lefi Cheshbon, also the Shlosh Lugin is also chaser, and therefore it can be the mikvah can then be filled up with kashrus. The Mishnah Zayin. Sarchum Mishnah fell a mea. The Sarchum fell to 100. Ikbia picked it up. The Nafla Acheres. Now another Sarchum fell in. Ikbia picked it up. The Nafla Acheres. Another one fell in. Harazim Teres. It's mutar actually tarbat shuma alchulin until you have 51 nefilos. Now it's mutar alchulin. It's not batal anymore. It's all considered to have a status of truma. Mishnah Ches. Sarchum Mishnafel Me'av, they speak the Sarchum found Hajj, they speak Lolo like Bia. They weren't able to pick up one, Ashnafel Cheres, before another one fell in. Hareza Asura. It's forbidden. Rabbi Shimon Matir, Shimon is going to permit it for reasons which the Gemara is going to have to elucidate for us. Okay. Says the Gemara. The Yidam Rapazi, Rav Avil Banagra have a Yosrin Armin. They were Rabbi Yidam Rapazi and Rabbi Yidam Banagra sitting and saying, it says in the Mishnah, in the first part of the Mishnah, which was Mishnah Talid, after they conceded, right? Me hold all the me. Who conceded to whom? Let's go outside, and let's learn. The says, let's go to the other yeshivas in the city and start and see what they have to say about it. Nafkun, they went to have a sham and they heard Rabbi Chizkiah of Rabbi Acha, the Shem Rabbi Yehuda Levi saying, Lo matzinu shodu Beis Shammai ela b'dover hazeh b'vad. We never found that Beis Shammai was moed Beis in any other case except for this case. So obviously, held the Beis Shammai was moed Beis Hillel. And then Shem Rabbi Avi Yisham Lamin Azor the Tzinian Tamar. Rabbi Yonah, Rabbi Ava derived this from that which it says over there. Hamar mikli kli. They're pouring water from vessel to vessel. And this is no, it's not water. It's yain shel truma. Pouring truma wine from vessel to vessel. If another fuliyam kiluach and its fuliyam touches the water as it's being poured, im yeshbo if the since it's yain shel truma. If the bottom vessel has 100 times the kiluach, yalebech of a male. It's older than 101. That's a Stam Mishnah. If you're going to say that Beis Shammai still considered Beis Shammai, it's not Oile, Man Tana Hachatale. Who could it be? Who says it is Mala? Or Beis Shammai Beis, when you're going neither like Beis Shammai nor Beis Hillel. So it must be that Beis Shammai considered Beis Hillel because we have a Stam Mishnah going that could be Beis Hillel's Shita in our Mishnah. Amar Rabbi China Brady Rabbi Hillel, not necessarily. No, Amar, we could say Beis Hillel Shlomo so Kodim Shiyodu Beis Shammai. Maybe Hillel learned that the halacha before they could see the point to Beis Shammai. And later on, perhaps day afterwards, its Mishnah was learned they could see the Beis Shammai. Okay, now the story really continues on a bit, but we're way on to Nun Beis and Aleph, and fair is fair. We're there, so therefore we'll stop for today.